What's up, everybody? Scott here. Wanted to show you this trunk net that we got for our 2025 Toyota Camry XSE. So obviously this is a netting for a trunk for storage and organization. So as you can see here, it's got the elastic rope on both sides of it, so you can fit groceries or whatever down here in the bottom, and then it loops in the trunk here, loops over these hooks right here, so it's pretty easy to get on and off. You just hook it like that on that side, and then like that on this side. So basically the same on each side, or you could hook it over these round that round knob there too. But pretty simple, and fits the 2025 Camry trunk pretty simple. And then if you don't want to use it, you can take it off pretty easy, and it folds up nice. And then it also attaches here at the bottom. As you can see there, it's got this little loop here at the bottom that it will loop onto that little you can see that knob down there. It'll focus right there, and then you got it over here too. So it's pretty simple to attach and install if you're looking for a trunk netting for organization and storage like this. That's pretty much it.